I think there's a difference between structured data AI and unstructured data AI. I think structured data meaning imaging or an ECG, that's somewhat of a solved problem. Like, I believe we can detect every single thing that a radiologist or cardiologist will see in their particular tests using the technology we have today. And so that's solved. Whereas on the unstructured data side, in the EHRs, okay, the data is so messy, actually algorithms are not yet performing to the 95, 99% sensitivity and specificity that you really need to get through the FDA and to deliver good clinical care. So for me, in our world, I agree with Mason, the last mile delivery of the insights has been where we put 90% of our resources. We have 200 engineers who build these algorithms and build the software, but to get a hospital system to actually use this and have a meaningful impact on the patient outcome and the number of patients treated requires a human component. It requires you to you implement your algorithm, typically it's in Google Cloud or AWS, you send the data flow there, and that's a solved problem. Radiology companies like Siemens and GE have done that for decades. But once the insight gets down, you need to know where to send it. It's never just one specialist, there's a team around them. You need to know who is caring for the patient. Maybe that patient's in an outpatient center, maybe they're in the emergency room. But those generalist doctors are not going to know what to do with that patient. And so you need to really, really understand the details of clinical workflow in order to get the outcomes. And I think, to your point about 2030, if you go to RSNA, the Radiology Society of North America, there are hundreds of artificial intelligence companies. Very few of them have actually got any clinical results. Very few of them have got any scale. And I think it's because they focus on the wrong thing. They focus on the technology rather than the actual human workflow and how things are delivered.